Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So this is basically a file where we will be selecting some drop downs and we are generating a unique ID with a 5-digit number. And the criteria is to use a number that the number will not be used again, and there should not be any zero at the end of the number. Um, let me tell you some changes I've made. So I have changed these tab names. Please do not change those because those are in the formulas and code as well. So the drop downs. Now you can use the 17 up to 1700 items. Um, Let me highlight those quickly. All right. So three set of data. Now you can enter as many items as you need. I have just highlighted those just because that I don't want you to type in any other thing in these columns. If you want to type in anything, you can type in here. The second thing addition is listing. So the listing will be the time, username, the code generated, and the DMA code that will be continuously increasing as you are generating the new IDs. So selection from the drop down, you can see the sheet is locked and you cannot select any cells, which you should not. And this is the code button which you will run to generate the listing. Currently, I'm clicking it, but it's not, nothing is happening because there is nothing selected on the drop down. So let me select some random entries in here, and let me start generating a code. So you can see this has started generating a code 110012, which is not we want. So here is a number because I was testing it. So here is another option which you can select to restart the numbers. So let me click this and let's try again. Let's see what happens. So if I'll click this again, you can see the number has started with a new ID and a different number. Let me start this number with 10001. All right, let me clear it again and restart with the Volvo maybe. So Volvo truck, maybe this one. Let's take this one. VT51. Maybe there is a number VT. Mhm, mhm. Yep. So we have a number in here. Okay, VT51. So 51 is basically associated with VT, and our 5-digit number is starting from this 10001. So as soon as you will be clicking again, you will be saying that a number is increasing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this will not reach to 10, but this will directly switch to 11. See, so there will not be any number ending with 0. Let me show you another time. 18, 19, and then 21. This is it. So this is you will be making different changes and pressing this button. Every time you will be pressing this button, there will be a new number. So this is 22 now. Let me make this change in here. So this is 23. Okay, so if you want to keep these selections and maybe you just want to select change only the middle one and click this button, then okay. But if you want to have a totally different selection every time, once you have clicked this, generated a number, you want to clear everything. So you just need to click on this, clear when done. So if you will click this, and now if you will make any changes and press this button. This will generate the new code, but it will clear the rest of the fields as well, so that you can select from scratch. But if you don't want this option, you can always uncheck this, and this will only generate a new number, but will not clear the fields. Currently, this number has reached to 10032, and obviously you don't want that. You want to start maybe from 1000, tetra zero, sorry. So you just need to click this button. Let me show you some results on the other side. Then I'll press this button, and then I'll show back the drop down in other sheets as well. Um, Let me freeze this so that you can always see this. Okay, so you can see I have added this. I have generated these numbers, and you can see the timestamp, the name who made this, whoever the software is associated with, the generated code, and the make code. So this all this is keeping a record of each click. Every time you click a button, the list will grow in numbers, and it will record each and every number you are generating. So this is done. You can always delete this sheet one, and yep. Now if I'll clear this, reset the sequential number, this will clear everything and this listing as well, so that you can start fresh. So uh, keep in mind, once you will be clicking this button, everything will get clear. As the number will start from 1 tetra 0, there will be no any logic to clear the to keep the old data. So this is how you can keep the record. And yep, I think this is it. Let me run it one more time and show you that. Now you can copy this, or maybe use this, or maybe both of these, but you cannot click anywhere else where you don't want to or need to. So that is it from my side. Please let me know if you need any modification or any further assistance in this one. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.